Hi friends, in this video I'll show you 5 settings you should immediately do after optimizing your PC or in your Windows 11 for better gaming experience. The first thing you have to do is with the mouse speed configuration. You have to change the speed of your mouse. For that, just go to the start. From there, just type in control panel. You'll get it here, just open it, and from there just go to the mouse. Now here you can see that the double click speed of your mouse is already set, that is set by default. Now you have to change that to fast. Now then move to the pointer options and here in motion you can see that select a pointer speed. From here just top up it and that's it. You can click on apply and click on OK. Now you can close down this window. Now the second thing is to upgrade your graphic driver. And if you are using any Intel processor, then automatically when you update your Windows, and it will get updated. Along with that, you will have to go and click on the start. From there to the settings, and from here just search for graphics. You'll get the graphic settings here. Just open it. From here you can see that there is an option named optimization for windowed games. You have to turn this on, as you can see that this will reduce the latency and use advanced features in compatible games for using flip presentation model. So just turn this on, the toggle switch on, and the next thing you have to do is again you have to go to the settings and there will be an option in the gaming section. Just click on gaming and from here just go to the third option, that is game mode. Just click on the game mode and from here just make sure that the game mode is turned on. Now once that is done you can turn off this window, and the next thing you have to do is to go to the start again and click on settings. From there just type in display. You'll get the display settings here. Just open it. Now from here just go to the advanced display. Now choose a refresh rate. You can choose the maximum refresh rate from here. Once that is done you can close down this window. Now the next thing you have to do is to check whether the system is running in the best power option. For that just go to the start, then search for power option. The power plan here, just open it. Now click on advanced power settings. Now just go to the processor power management and check for the maximum power state. You have to leave it 100% from here. If it is not 100%, just double click on it and make sure that this is 100%. And once that is done you can click on apply and click on OK. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.